Do you do Bcash?
Yeah, Bcash.
Okay, I can send by Bcash.
Which package you want to start with?
I think the starter package sounds good.
Okay, this is Farabi and Jannat and me. We are teammate and we do Facebook ads, Google ads, and YouTube marketing and digital marketing related work. So at first, I want to introduce our agency to you. Can I share my screen?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you so much. This is our website www.fsdfreelancer.com. On this website, you will find all of our contact details and all about us. And if you scroll down, then you can see my picture is attached here, and I am founder
Mhm.
and CEO of this agency. And if you scroll up and go to client meeting sections, then you will find we have lot of previous client history we have attached here. As you see, these guys from USA, these guys from China, these guys from USA, these guys also from USA, these guys from France, these guys from Czech Republic, and we have lot of previous work history and all of them our permanent client. And if you go next pages, then you will find more and more previous work history. And if you go to our team sections, then you will find we have 500 plus skilled freelancer working in our agency, and they all are expert. If you go next pages, then you will find we have 500 plus skilled freelancer. They work beside our agency, they work on Fiverr and Upwork also, and Jannat is one of them. And we have a agency YouTube channel. This is our agency YouTube channel. On this channel we have gained 262K subscriber and uploaded 184 videos. And if you go to our videos popular sections, then you can see we have gained 2.1 million views, 1.1 million views, 7 lakh 34K views, and many more. And all of the views we have gained YouTube organic growth, I mean YouTube SEO strategy, do follow. So that is all about our agency. Recently, our team member Jannat has audited your YouTube and found some growth related problem. And if you can fix that problem, definitely you can grow your channel and you can increase your views and subscribers. So if you are interested, then we'll go ahead.
Yeah, sure. That sounds great.
Okay, thank you so much. So mainly we found that your content quality is good and your thumbnail quality is also awesome, but you have some growth related problem and optimizations related problem. Optimizations means your video are not SEO friendly. SEO means search engine optimizations. So you are not using SEO friendly title, you are not using SEO friendly descriptions, and you are not using high volume rank text to your videos, and overall your video SEO condition is poor. So we will increase this SEO score and we will fix all of the growth related optimizations, and then we will promote your videos. And we also research your competitor, and we also suggest you what should you do or what should not to do. And overall we will be your channel manager. If you want, we will guide you, and we know how to grow a YouTube channel very fast. So for that work, we have two packages mainly. One is starter and another is standard. In our starter package, we will optimize your 10 video including SEO and promotions, and it costs 120 USD and it takes 7 days to deliver the work. And another package is standard package. In standard package, we will optimize your 30 video and it takes 30 days to deliver the work and it costs 300 USD. So it's your choice which package you want to start with.
I think the starter package sounds good.
Okay, no problem. You can start with the starter one and judge our work. Then if you're satisfied, then you can go for the standard one, no problem. And
Hmm.
our payment system is when you hire, you can pay 50% advance and rest of the 50% after completing the work. And to receive
Okay.
money, we support Remitly, Western Union, and Payoneer. But PayPal is not supported in our territory. And
Do you do Bcash?
yeah, Bcash.
Okay, I can send by Bcash.
Okay, okay, okay. So we have
Okay.
Bcash, so it would be very easiest for us.